Welcome to the orientation for existing users to CSNet version 3.0. This orientation is intended for people who are familiar with the use of earlier versions of CSNet and who are looking for guidance as to what is involved in the upgrade. This presentation offers an overview of what is involved in the upgrade to CSNet 3.0 and endeavours to provide some pointers on what has changed. Once you have been through the presentation a couple of times, you will be well placed to manage the new CSNet functionality and environment. Firstly, the logon. As you can see, the logon is much the same as it has always been. You log on and you receive access to the cases, activities and functions that have been allocated to you by your organisation. Two things to be aware of in the new version of CSNet. Firstly, a new convention has been adopted with usernames. The username will generally be your email address as stored in CSNet. Second, you need to be aware that the system will only accept your logon once at any point in time. It has always been important to log on once only to CSNet. From now on, the system itself will not accept a logon attempt from someone who is already logged on. Once you are inside the system, you will see that the look and feel is a little different. The upgrade has more of a desktop feel to it, while it maintains the benefits of a fully web-based system. The navigation has a familiar feel to it, especially once you are inside a case or an activity. At the highest level, you can see the navigation options for your account, your dashboard, the new Family dashboard, utilities for those of you with CSNet administration functions, a new clipboard facility, and the log-off. The dashboard. Let's look at the dashboard for this fictional activity type A. You can see that the dashboard has much the same structure as previous dashboards. You will note that the dashboard has standard columns for identifier, commencement date, activity status, the name of the primary client and principal worker, the site of each activity, date of last contact, and an alerts column. In addition, each organisation can configure one or two columns, reflecting data items on activities or clients of particular importance to the way it uses the system. A new feature is the information window called At a Glance, opened up for each activity here. Your organisation can determine what it intends to display at a glance. The idea is that it will use it to reflect detail on key features and data items important to the activity. Close At a Glance here. Finally, the upgraded design enables the sorting of the dashboard according to any of the columns that are used. To sort using this feature, choose a column and click here. To resort the dashboard, choose a different column and click on its title.